Shanghai Hengxiang Optical Electronics Company Limited, founded in 2001, and exported products to domestic and overseas after 23 years of sedimentation. We are a high-tech enterprise specializing in the creation, research, production, and marketing of high-precision optical encoders. Currently, we have obtained invention patents, new utility patents, CEQMS, ISO 9001 certifications. We have a mature independent research and development capability which enables to customize the production of exclusive models based on the needs of new development technology products. Our company mainly engaged in the encoders, optical lens, germanium products. The strict control of product quality and high precision and high standard of deep processing technology serve the elevator, motor, CNC, textile, robot, wind power, medical, assembly line equipment, and other automation technology industries. We focus on being a well-known brand in the field of precision optical encoders and aim to be a leader in international precision encoders. Precision in sensing. Hengxiang will insist to the corporate principles of integrity, precision and pragmatism, customer-oriented, unity, and mutual success. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, fast delivery time, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.